Hello my beautiful lovelies, my name is Just the Makeup Liz and I am coming back at you in another video! Okay, I have been doing a lot of makeup, as you can see, and I have come across something that I feel like we need to shed some light on. Liquid lipsticks. I feel like some of them are good, some of them don't really live up to their potential, and some of them just shouldn't exist. I'll be right back. The first one I have here is the Smashbox Always On Liquid Lipstick. And it's in the shade Boss, because, you know, I love Lily Singh. I figured we could review this. Hi, buddy. My cat. So, first of all, let's talk about packaging. Packaging? Pretty high-end. The color. Again, not bad. Again, it's good. I mean, would I like more product in the bottle? Yes. Would I like to have it be a brighter red? Yes. But for what it is, it feels good. And I mean, that pigmentation is pretty good, guys. I'm gonna wash this up my head now. So obviously, it stays on pretty good, which is a huge plus. And now I look like I'm hurt. Now we're gonna move down to drugstore because unfortunately, I don't really have that many liquid lipsticks. Not yet anyways. So, the ones that I personally love are from e.l.f. I have all of these. What I feel to be good liquid lipsticks. They're matte, they go on nice and smooth, and they're quick to dry. I really like them. I'm actually wearing one right now, and I'm wearing Tea Rose. You can see that it's like I put on lipstick, right? The applicator. It's not as good quality as the Smashbox one, but it's still really good. What I really like about these is that they stay on really well. They do oxidize, which, I mean, not too fond of, but you know, what are you gonna do? It's drugstore, it's e.l.f., it was like $3. So what I really like about these is that they stay on really well and that they're matte and they dry super fast. What I don't like is that they're really drying on the lips. My lips are already like super like, they peel really easy. So when I put the liquid lipstick on, like I'm feeling them right now, they're all like chapped. You know, I would have to like, as soon as I'm done, put like a lip balm on. Packaging wise, shade wise, not bad. I just think we need some more shades. Maybe like a red or like a nude color. So e.l.f., if you're watching this, get on that. And then my other liquid lipsticks that I have are by Hard Candy. These I'm not too proud of. I kind of regret buying these. They come in these tins, which is already obnoxious. And trying to get them out is not fun. But when you do eventually get them out, they come in this kind of a tube. I don't know what kind of packaging this is, but it's so thin. It's like the size of my finger. My entire finger is covering that right now. And when you put it on, not a lot comes out on the applicator. So already not too impressed. The shade range is good. I just got these 3 colors because I knew I was gonna use these colors. I really like the colors that I bought. I like actually the way that it smells because it almost smells like frosting. I don't know why it does, but it smells good. That for a swatch. Kind of similar to the e.l.f. one. What I don't like about this is that it's supposed to be like a liquid lipstick, but it comes off so easy. It's like you're wearing a regular old lipstick. It doesn't stay on, doesn't dry fast enough, and might as well just buy the e.l.f. ones for $3 as opposed to the $6 that I spent on this. Which one would you go for? If I had to pick my favorite, it would probably be Smashbox for high end. But for a drugstore, e.l.f. takes the cake. The packaging just looks a whole lot better. There's more product, I feel. It dries fast enough, and I don't have to worry about trying to find a space for these. That was my little mini review on liquid lipsticks and what I have and what I thought of them. Do you guys like these videos? Should I do more of these? If you think so, please comment down below or give me a thumbs up and let me know if you guys want me to do more of these like honest reviews or not. If you lovelies like what you saw, remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I will see all you lovelies in my next video. Bye. I promise I'm not hurt.